Hey guys, welcome to Developer Ninja. I'm Reza. Hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. Now we will add some text to display the score, and just like I set up the canvas, you can set it up like I did. We will name our text score text. Here we reduce the order and layer of our background so that our text can be displayed. Now we will create an empty object and name it Game Manager. We create the script and then open the script. Here we add the UI component and create an object called scoreText of type text. Now we will create a score adding function that will display the player's score in the score text. We create an instance of this class so that we can access it in other classes. Now we go to bullet movement class, and when the bullet hits the enemy, we call the add score function from the game manager class. To be able to access score text in the scene, we need to declare it as a serializable type. We set the score text in the game manager object. We'll run the project to see what happens. The mistake we made here is that we forgot to define a variable to hold the score and add it to the input of our function. We run the project again and see that the points are added and displayed. Now we create a UI panel and call it Game Hour panel. Now we will design a simple Game Hour panel that contains a text box and a button to restart the game. Now we create the restart game function, and inside it we tell it to reload the scene. We hide the Game Hour panel. Now here we call the restart game function for the restart button click event. Inside the Game Manager class, we create a Game Hour object and its display function. Inside the restart game function, we tell the game hour panel to hide when the restart button is pressed. We initialize the game hour panel inside the game manager object. Open the game manager class and set the time scale to 1 in the restart game function. We open the player movement class and say that if the player collides with an enemy, the show game hour panel function will be called and the time scale will be set to 0. Okay, now we run our project and see that the game hour panel system is working properly. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this educational project, and we hope that after building this project, you will be able to create strong and efficient projects and publish them in stores.